folding up. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. When the sun is folded up, and when the stars lose their light, and when the mountains are moved, when 10-month pregnant camels are left unattended, and when all beasts are gathered together, and when the seas are set on fire, and when the souls are divided into different classes, and when the female infant buried alive is asked for what sin she was killed, when the records of men's deeds are laid open, when the sky is unveiled, and when hell is set ablaze, when paradise is brought close, then each soul shall know what it has put forward. I swear by the receding stars, the planets that run their course and set, and the night that falls, and the first breath of morning. Truly, this is the word brought by a noble messenger, endowed with power and held in honor by the Lord of the throne, who is obeyed there and is worthy of trust. Your companion is not one possessed. He truly beheld him, the angel, on the horizon. He is not avid of the unseen, nor is this the word of an outcast devil. So where are you going? This is merely a reminder to all mankind, to every one of you who wishes to tread the straight path. But you cannot will it unless God, the Lord of the universe, so wills it, to show you that way.